Fact, the internet space is not safe anymore. Was it ever safe? I don't know, but it sure isn't in 2022. In fact, someone is probably trying to hack your account right this very second. I wish I was exaggerating, but I'm not. More than 2,200 cyber attacks occur every day. So what are the odds that you're not being targeted? If you don't want to become a victim of cybercrime, you must protect your online accounts with two-factor authentication. It literally doubles your security, and it's incredibly easy to set up. So why not? In this video, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up Google Authenticator for two-factor authentication. So let's dive right in. So the first thing that you want to do is you're going to head over to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, depending on the kind of device you're using. Search for Google Authenticator in the search bar, and after locating it, download it. Once you're done installing the app, launch it, and on the first screen, click on Begin Setup at the bottom. The app will then display two options: scan barcode or manual entry. Next, head to the account you'd like to protect with the two-factor authentication. Oh my god, seriously? Sorry folks, I think we just lost power. Hey, power's back up again. Okay, where were we? Okay, so yes, let's say that it's your Facebook account that you want to protect with two-factor authentication. After logging into your account, head straight to Account and then Privacy and Settings. Click on Settings and then go to Security and Login. Once you get there, find two-factor authentication and then click Edit. Now you'll find two options here: Authentication App or Text Message. Now we don't recommend the text message option, so once you get here, go ahead and choose Use Authentication App. Now you'll be provided with two options to complete the setup: a barcode that you'll need to scan or a code that you'll need to enter manually. Now you're going to head back to the Google Authenticator app on your phone and choose either scan barcode or manual entry, depending on the one you prefer. If it's the barcode, choose that option on your Google Authenticator app and your Facebook account as well. Scan the barcode displayed on the screen, and voila, you've set up the two-factor authentication for your Facebook account. Now, on the Google Authenticator app, you'll find a 6-digit number that refreshes every 20 seconds. This means after 20 seconds, the number expires, and another one is automatically generated. Now, here's how this works. Each time you or someone else tries to log into your Facebook account, you'll be asked to enter a code from the code generator. It's that easy. Just head back to the Authenticator app, copy the code generated, and paste it into the box provided to complete the login process. Simple, right? It's super straightforward. But if you have any questions regarding this tutorial, then let us know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. The next video is about the best antivirus software available out there, so you better not miss it.